Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable little Whiskers earrings. The charms on these earrings are from the Spot and Whiskers collection by TierraCast, and we added a little pop of color using a Swarovski Crystal Pearl bead with gold findings to create the perfect pair of cat earrings. To make these earrings, you'll need 2 of the 8mm iridescent dark blue pearl Swarovski crystal beads, 2 of these antique gold Whiskers cat charms by TierraCast, 2 21 gauge 2-inch gold-plated eye pins, and then a pair of 11mm gold base metal French ear wires. You'll also need round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutters. You can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. These whisker earrings are super quick and easy to make. First, you want to take your eye pin, and then you just want to take your chain nose pliers and open up that loop. Just do a little bit more. And then you just want to take your cat charm. I'm just going to attach it and bring that loop back. So there you have your charm. It's now connected to your eye pin there. And then you want to attach, you want to add your pearl bead. And then you want to bend your wire 90 degrees and then cut it about 3/8 of an inch. Then take your round nose pliers and grasp the wire at the end. You're just going to turn a loop. Okay, you can just make sure it's nice and closed there. Okay, and then from here all you want to do is open up loop. Oops. You want to make sure that this, there we go. That this loop here is facing this way, and then this loop here is facing the other way. Okay, so then you just want to attach the loop of the ear wire to that top loop from your eye pin. Close that back up. And there you have it. Just repeat that for the other earring, and you have an adorable pair of earrings that will make the perfect gift for a cat lover in your life. You can find all of the tools and materials for these Whiskers earrings at fusionbeads.com.